Did you know that fennel is one of the most underrated superfoods? Packed with essential nutrients and bursting with flavor. Fennel is a game changer for your health. In this series, we'll uncover how this aromatic spice can boost your metabolism, aid digestion, and even support weight loss. Get ready to transform your meals and your health with the power of fennel. Stay tuned for more. Fennel might just be one of the most underrated superfoods out there. Not only does it add a burst of flavor to your meals, but it also comes packed with a variety of nutrients that can transform your health. So, what exactly makes fennel so special? To start with, fennel is rich in essential vitamins like vitamin C, vitamin A, and a range of B vitamins, all of which support your immune system, skin health, and energy levels. It's also loaded with minerals such as calcium, magnesium, and potassium, key players in maintaining strong bones and regulating blood pressure. But fennel doesn't just stop there. It's also an excellent source of dietary fiber, which is vital for healthy digestion and can even help you manage your weight. Fiber keeps you feeling full longer, so you're less likely to overeat, making fennel a great addition for those looking to lose weight or maintain a healthy lifestyle. Historically, fennel has been cherished for centuries across different cultures. Ancient Romans and Greeks used it as a medicinal plant, believing it could boost energy and longevity. In Ayurveda, fennel seeds are still used to aid digestion and detoxify the body. So how can you incorporate fennel into your diet? Well, it's easy. You can add fennel seeds to your salads or soups, roast the bulb as a side dish, or brew a cup of fennel tea after meals to improve digestion. It's incredibly versatile. Stay tuned for the rest of this series as we dive deeper into how fennel can help you lose weight, improve digestion, and even boost your metabolism. You won't want to miss it. Fennel is more than just a flavorful spice. It's a powerful tool for weight management. So, how exactly does fennel help with weight loss? First, fennel is low in calories but packed with fiber, which is key to feeling fuller for longer. The fiber in fennel helps regulate your appetite, preventing those midday cravings and helping you maintain a healthy diet. If you're trying to cut down on calories without feeling deprived, adding fennel to your meals can be a game changer. Another amazing benefit of fennel is its ability to support your body's natural detox process. Fennel seeds, in particular, are known for their diuretic properties, helping to flush out excess water and reduce bloat. If you're feeling sluggish or retaining water, fennel can be a natural solution to help you feel lighter and more energized. But that's not all. Fennel also contains a special compound called anethol, which can stimulate the release of digestive enzymes, speeding up metabolism and helping your body burn fat more efficiently. So not only does fennel help curb your appetite, but it also boosts your metabolism to help you shed those extra pounds. Wondering how to add fennel to your weight loss plan? Start by sprinkling fennel seeds over your salads, mixing them into smoothies, or brewing a simple fennel tea to sip on throughout the day. Incorporating fennel regularly can make a noticeable difference in your weight loss journey. Stay tuned for the next video in this series, where we'll explore how fennel can also improve digestion and gut health, two crucial factors in maintaining a healthy weight. Fennel is a digestive powerhouse. In this video, we'll explore how fennel can improve your gut health and support better digestion. So, what makes fennel so beneficial for digestion? First, it has natural antispasmodic properties, which means it helps relax the muscles in your intestines. This can alleviate bloating, cramps, and discomfort after eating. Fennel is often recommended for people who suffer from irritable bowel syndrome, IBS, because it can ease those painful digestive issues. Fennel seeds also act as a natural carminative, which means they help prevent and reduce the formation of gas in the digestive tract. If you frequently feel gassy or bloated after meals, chewing on a few fennel seeds or drinking fennel tea could offer quick relief. But that's not all. Fennel contains anethol, a compound that stimulates the secretion of digestive enzymes, which in turn helps your body break down food more efficiently. This means you're not only digesting food better, but also absorbing more nutrients from the meals you eat. Healthy digestion is essential for overall well-being and energy levels, and fennel makes it easy. Want to improve your gut health? Try adding roasted fennel to your meals or sipping on fennel tea after a big dinner. Regular use of fennel can help you reduce bloating, speed up digestion, and promote a balanced gut microbiome. In the next part of this series, we'll explore fennel's role in boosting metabolism, another key component of a healthy lifestyle. Stay tuned. Did you know fennel can help boost your metabolism? In this video, we'll dive into how fennel can play a key role in increasing your body's metabolic rate, helping you burn more calories throughout the day. One of the main components of fennel is anethol, a powerful compound that stimulates the production of digestive enzymes. These enzymes not only improve digestion, but also help speed up your metabolism by breaking down food more efficiently. This means your body can process nutrients faster, giving you more energy and helping your body burn calories at a quicker rate. Fennel is also rich in antioxidants, which help combat oxidative stress in your cells. When your body is under oxidative stress, it can slow down your metabolism. By consuming foods rich in antioxidants, like fennel, you can reduce this stress and keep your metabolism running smoothly. But there's more. Fennel's high fiber content plays a crucial role in regulating blood sugar levels, which directly impacts metabolism. Stable blood sugar levels prevent spikes and crashes in energy, allowing your body to maintain a more consistent metabolic rate throughout the day. To give your metabolism a natural boost, try incorporating fennel seeds into your morning routine or enjoying a cup of fennel tea after meals. By adding fennel to your diet, you'll not only feel more energized, but also help your body burn calories more efficiently. In our next video, we'll share some easy tips on how to use fennel in your everyday meals. Stay tuned for simple, delicious ways to boost your health with this amazing spice. Fennel is a versatile spice that can add flavor and health benefits to your meals. In this video, we'll explore some simple and delicious ways to incorporate fennel into your everyday diet. First up, let's talk about fennel seeds. These tiny seeds pack a big punch of flavor and can be used in many different dishes. You can sprinkle them on salads for a crunchy, aromatic twist, or add them to soups and stews for extra depth of flavor. Fennel seeds are also a great addition to roasted vegetables. Just toss them with your favorite veggies and a drizzle of olive oil for a fragrant, healthy side dish. Next, let's talk about the fennel bulb. You can slice the bulb thinly and add it to salads for a fresh, crunchy texture. It pairs beautifully with citrus fruits like oranges and grapefruit, adding a burst of flavor to any dish. You can also roast fennel bulbs with a bit of garlic and olive oil for a tender, caramelized side that complements meats like chicken and fish. Don't forget fennel tea. Simply crush some fennel seeds and steep them in hot water to make a soothing digestive tea. It's perfect to enjoy after meals to help with digestion and reduce bloating. Lastly, fennel can be incorporated into your breakfast too. Add a pinch of ground fennel seeds to your smoothies or oatmeal for a hint of spice that boosts flavor and nutrition. There are endless possibilities with fennel, from savory meals to sweet snacks. The more you experiment, the more you'll discover how easy and delicious it is to add fennel to your diet. Stay tuned for the next video where we'll share even more health benefits of fennel, including some you might not know about. Fennel is well known for its digestive and weight loss benefits, but did you know it has a range of other health perks? In this video, we'll explore some of fennel's lesser-known benefits that can improve your overall health. First up, fennel is a great source of antioxidants. Antioxidants play a crucial role in fighting free radicals, which can cause oxidative stress and damage your cells. By incorporating fennel into your diet, you can boost your body's defense against chronic diseases, including heart disease and even cancer. Another hidden benefit is fennel's ability to support hormonal balance. Fennel contains phytoestrogens, plant-based compounds that mimic the effects of estrogen in the body. This can be especially helpful for women dealing with menopausal symptoms like hot flashes or mood swings. Fennel also has anti-inflammatory properties. The compounds in fennel, such as anethol, can help reduce inflammation in the body. Chronic inflammation is linked to numerous health issues from arthritis to heart disease, so reducing it is key to maintaining overall health. If you suffer from respiratory issues, fennel can help. It acts as a natural expectorant, which means it helps clear mucus from the lungs. Sipping fennel tea during cold and flu season or when you have a cough can soothe your respiratory system and help you breathe easier. Lastly, fennel can promote eye health. Its high levels of vitamin A are essential for maintaining good vision and preventing age-related eye conditions like macular degeneration. There's no doubt that fennel is a superfood with a wide range of benefits. In our next video, we'll be diving deeper into fennel's role in traditional medicine and how it's been used for centuries. Stay tuned. Fennel has a rich history in traditional medicine, spanning centuries and cultures. In this video, we'll explore how different civilizations have used fennel for its incredible health benefits. In ancient Greece and Rome, fennel was seen as a symbol of strength and longevity. The Greeks even believed it could bring them closer to the gods. Fennel seeds were often used as a remedy for digestive problems, including bloating and gas, which are still common uses today. In Ayurvedic medicine, fennel has been used for thousands of years to balance the body's doshas, particularly Pitta and Vata. Fennel is thought to cool the body, making it perfect for treating digestive issues, heartburn, and even fevers. Ayurvedic practitioners often recommend fennel tea after meals to promote digestion and detoxification. In traditional Chinese medicine, fennel is considered warming and is used to treat colds, stomach pain, and digestive blockages. TCM practitioners believe that fennel can help improve the flow of qi in the body and relieve discomfort caused by stagnant digestion. Throughout Europe during the Middle Ages, fennel was used to protect against witchcraft and evil spirits. However, it also had practical medicinal uses, particularly as a natural remedy for indigestion, and it was commonly grown in monastery gardens for its healing properties. Fennel's reputation as a medicinal herb spread globally, and today, it continues to be a go-to remedy for digestive health, respiratory conditions, and even eye care. These ancient practices show that fennel has stood the test of time as a powerful healer. In the next video, we'll summarize everything we've learned and share some final thoughts on how to use fennel to enhance your health journey. Stay tuned. We've covered so much about fennel in this series, from its amazing health benefits to how it's been used in traditional medicine. In this final video, let's summarize the key takeaways and offer a few last tips on how to make fennel a regular part of your health journey. Fennel is a powerhouse spice that's not only delicious, but packed with health benefits. Whether you're looking to lose weight, improve digestion, or boost your metabolism, fennel has something to offer. Its high fiber content keeps you fuller longer, while its anti-inflammatory properties help reduce bloating and aid digestion. We've also seen that fennel can support respiratory health, balance hormones, and even improve eye health, thanks to its rich supply of antioxidants and vitamins. And let's not forget its role in traditional medicine. From Ayurvedic practices to ancient Roman remedies, fennel has a long history as a healer. Now, how can you make fennel a regular part of your routine? Start by adding fennel seeds to your favorite dishes. Sprinkle them on salads, mix them into soups, or roast them with vegetables. For a digestive boost, sip on fennel tea after meals, or incorporate ground fennel seeds into your smoothies or oatmeal. Fennel is also easy to incorporate into your cooking, from fresh fennel bulbs in salads to roasted fennel as a side dish. The possibilities are endless, and experimenting with different recipes will help you discover just how versatile this superfood can be. We hope this series has inspired you to take full advantage of fennel's benefits. Remember, small changes like adding fennel to your diet can lead to big improvements in your health over time. Thanks for joining us on this journey. Here's to a healthier, happier you, powered by fennel. Fennel is not just great for digestion, it's also a powerful detoxifier. In this video, we'll show you how fennel helps cleanse your body from the inside out. Fennel is a natural diuretic, meaning it helps flush out excess fluids and toxins from your system. By promoting healthy urination, fennel helps keep your kidneys in top shape and reduces bloating. It also contains antioxidants that support your liver's natural detoxification process, keeping your body free of harmful substances. Want to give your body a natural detox? Try sipping on fennel tea regularly or adding fresh fennel to your meals. Your body will thank you. Start your detox journey with fennel today. Share your favorite fennel recipes or tips in the comments below. We'd love to hear how fennel is helping you feel your best. Did you know fennel can help relieve cold and flu symptoms? Fennel has natural expectorant properties, meaning it helps clear mucus and soothe a sore throat. Fennel seeds can be used to make a soothing tea that helps break up congestion and calm a cough. The antioxidants in fennel also boost your immune system, making it a great remedy during cold season. Next time you're feeling under the weather, brew some fennel tea for quick relief. Have you used fennel for cold relief? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more natural remedies to boost your health. Fennel is packed with heart-healthy benefits. In this video, we'll explore how fennel can help support cardiovascular health. Fennel is rich in potassium, a mineral that helps regulate blood pressure by counteracting the effects of sodium. Its antioxidants also reduce oxidative stress, which can lower the risk of heart disease. Regular consumption of fennel can support overall heart health and keep your cardiovascular system strong. Add fennel to your diet for a natural way to support your heart health. Ready to boost your heart health with fennel? Give this video a like and subscribe for more natural health tips. Feeling stressed? Fennel might be just what you need to unwind naturally. Fennel contains compounds that have a calming effect on the nervous system, making it an excellent remedy for reducing anxiety and stress. You can enjoy it as a tea or even as part of your meals to relax and clear your mind. Its ability to balance hormones can also help alleviate mood swings and stress-related symptoms. Try incorporating fennel into your daily routine for a calmer, more balanced life. Have you tried fennel for stress relief? Drop your thoughts in the comments and hit the subscribe button for more tips on managing stress naturally. Did you know fennel can work wonders for your skin? Its rich supply of vitamins, particularly vitamin C, helps keep your skin glowing and healthy. Fennel's antioxidants fight free radicals that cause aging, while its anti-inflammatory properties can help reduce skin irritation and redness. Whether you consume it as a tea or apply it topically, fennel can enhance your skin's health from the inside out. Get glowing skin the natural way with fennel. Want more natural skincare tips? Subscribe now and share your fennel skincare routine with us in the comments.